Hello everyone, this is me. As you can see, I'm asleep. That's because it's not yet time for my physics for filmmakers class. What was I dreaming about? Something about cows. And milk, not just cows. And cheese. I love cheese. Speaking of which, I've been eating it a lot lately. The last time I checked, I was 63 kilos. This means the force gravity exerts on me is 617.4 newtons. Why am I not smashing through the bed? Well, that's because the bed is exerting an equal and opposite force. The forces cancel, leaving a resultant force of 0. Newton's first law. Newton's the guy that the apple fell on, if you remember. Ouch, that hurt. But what's worse is I lost potential energy. My bed is 77 centimeters up from the floor. So if we take the product of mass, height, and the Earth's gravity, we can find out how much potential energy I lost. And it's 475 joules! It's so heartbreaking to lose energy like that. If we assume that all of this potential energy was converted to kinetic, we can calculate my velocity as I hit the ground. 3.88 meters per second, that's like running into a parked vehicle. Yes, you feel like an idiot after doing it. Now let us scale this up by putting my bed on top of the Sears Tower. At that height, I have 325,369.8 joules of potential energy. Now kids, sleeping on top of the Sears Tower is dangerous, so do not try this at home, especially if you live at the Sears Tower. If we assume an alien spaceship has sucked all the air out of Chicago, all that potential energy will be converted to kinetic. This means I would hit the ground at 101.63 meters per second, and would almost certainly be smashed to pieces because the base of the Sears Tower doesn't consist of boingy soft materials. It is solid asphalt. This means I would be stopped almost instantly, traveling from 101.63 meters per second to 0 in 0.1 seconds. This is an acceleration of 1016.3 meters per second squared. And as we know from Newton's second law, force equals mass times acceleration. So this means I would feel a force of 64,026.9 newtons, which is the same as getting hit by this 2.5-ton monster at 55 miles an hour.